Hi guys, welcome to a short video about what to do when you can't find your screencast device on an Android phone, like here on this device. I'm here on Android 10 and I had a huge problem to find the screencast projector, but it doesn't matter if it's a TV or projector or just another device. When you want to find it, by the way, to find the cast function itself, the easiest usually is when you go to the drop down menu here from the top. And when you increase the size of the system menu, like fully down, you can see you have more options. And then we have also this screencast usually here, but you can also go to the normal system settings and usually you have it in the display. You go then down and then you have the cast. You also can search it like here. Usually with the new Android versions we have these things here. We have search button. We can search for cast or mirroring or a couple of different expressions, and usually that works, and we can click on that or even use this one here where we go directly into the detail menu. So, but now what to do if you are here and we can't see the device? I mean, I don't want to play this on the RTV Mini. I'm looking for something else like the DB power projector and I can't find it, even though I'm refreshing and refreshing and refreshing. I can't find it. Yeah, there's one thing which most people or a lot of people are overlooking, and that's here on the right top. You have to enable wireless display. I don't know why they didn't put it a little bit better here so everybody can see that. And you can see now it's displayed the DB power. Of course it's unavailable. I have to activate this thing. So go to the device like your TV or the projector and go into this cast function and activate it either for iOS or Android. So now I went to the Beamer and I clicked on Android cast, and now you can see we have the DB power. And we can click on connecting, and you should then see same thing on your TV or on your projector, also saying connecting. Sometimes takes a couple of seconds. Now it says connected, and now I can go to anything. I mean, you should actually already see this screen, and whatever you do here you will see on the projector or TV. I don't have to explain more. That's already it, and for me it worked, and I hope it will work for you too. So if you have any questions or comments or other suggestions, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.